The Gaggenau Combi-steam oven features 3 heat sources: convection, broil, and steam. However, it is the temperature range of 85 degrees to 450 degrees that can be combined with 5 levels of humidity and the ability to use the broil function at different intensity levels combined with humidity that make the oven such a unique tool, capable of so many varied cooking functions. Foods cooked in steam or steam convection have more moisture retention, better flavor, and nutrient value. Additionally, the pressureless steam is gentle on food, resulting in better texture overall. Multiple foods can be steamed or steam roasted at one time in the oven with no flavor transference, a feature that makes meal preparation much easier. Each of the humidity levels in the Combi-steam oven relates to a specific type of cooking. However, customization based on personal preference or to achieve a specific result is always possible. 100% humidity and steaming. This combination of high humidity and low temperatures is used for steaming vegetables, grains, seafood, and poultry. Also for cooking custard and flan without a water bath. The temperature can be lowered to 190 degrees, an important feature for steaming more delicate fish. There is no transference of flavor when steaming, so instead of cooking a meal in multiple pans on the stove, everything can be cooked at one time in the oven, leaving your hands free to prepare any embellishments for the meal. And there'll be no boilovers and no cooktop to clean. After using the oven in this mode, there will be some residual water droplets in the cavity. However, the automatic drying program will launch once the food is removed, leaving the oven pristine and dry for the next round of cooking. 100% humidity plus convection. This combination of high humidity and high temperatures is used for roasting vegetables and thicker cuts of fish. No steam is visible when cooking with higher temperatures. 80% humidity plus convection. A slightly lower humidity combined with low to moderate temperatures is ideal for roasting large cuts of meat or braising less tender cuts of meat, such as brisket or ribs, without having to cover the food. Placing large cuts of meat on a rack in a shallow pan is recommended when roasting in the Combi-steam oven. This allows the convection heat to evenly penetrate the meat as it circulates around the oven and prevents the leaching of internal juices from the heat of the pan. 60% humidity plus convection. This combination adds just the right amount of humidity for creating a crisp crust when baking bread and a perfect rise ideal for yeast pastries. When baking, it is especially important not to disturb the cooking process by opening the door to check the progress. The gentle LED light remains on during the cooking, giving a realistic view of the progress. Just one more way to achieve very professional results. 30% humidity plus convection. This lower level of humidity is ideal for baking pies and pastries and breads and rolls. In this setting, the misting function can be engaged to inject bursts of steam into the oven to help attain a really crisp crust. 0% humidity plus convection. When 0% humidity is chosen, the oven vent shuts, and this seal creates the perfect environment for baking cookies and cakes and for roasting without any humidity or giving food a blast of high heat for a crisper finish. As with all Gaggenau ovens, the broil function is refined to offer a variety of options for browning, toasting, and broiling, with the unique option of doing so with a choice of 2 intensity levels plus humidity to prevent any drying while food cooks. The broil function can be used for browning, used for a few minutes for giving a gratin dish or casserole a perfect finish. Broiling, for toasting and for open-faced sandwiches, fish, vegetables, and thin cuts of meat. Broiling level 1 plus humidity for cooking and browning vegetable casseroles. Broiling level 2 plus humidity for cooking and browning meats and thicker cuts of fish.